We are the Fluffies.
Hey, this is a sticker.
Believe it's us. Oh, is that you?
Yeah.
We're here for a reason.
Yes.
Go shopping, groceries, and then we bump into this. Now there's a vending machine for masks.
So there's various types of masks, and it says proudly Canadian on them. So various styles. Really interesting. And this one's even adjustable.
Which one?
This one, it says adjustable strap toggle.
See?
So the strap on the side is adjustable. They also have hand sanitizer. They have kids masks. They have webcam covered wipes.
Huh? Okay. There's a screen.
And then there's the disposable kinds.
So then you choose whatever you want. Press the button here.
And it'll tell you how much, and you could pay with your credit card, your debit.
And you pick up the mask here.
So interesting.
Press selection for price. Let's see how much
Okay,
is one of
so
them.
I like Viva.
Okay.
So $19.95.
That one.
Yeah.
How much is the sanitizer? Oh, the one is strap in Gura Pro.
Okay, 107.
But you're touching.
I know, I'm canceling.
So you have to buy the sanitizer to clean.
Okay, 107. Okay, that
21.95.
And it's a thicker padding, knitted with copper and silver yarn. The same thing.
How much is the emoji? It's more colorful. You can have different kinds.
Which one do you like? They also have youth masks and they have children's masks as well.
So which one I want to check?
Okay, I'll be curious for 303. Okay, 303 is $19.95.
How much is the hand sanitizing?
Okay, so let me look at the difference.
403, 404.
Let's look at 405. So it's only $3.95?
It's handy.
Yeah.
How much is for kids? They're doing a propaganda for them.
507 looks cute. It's $14.95 for the kids.
Huh. Interesting.
And for the screen,
Shine.
I like 501, it looks interesting. $9.95
Interesting.
for cell phones.
Ooh, we're gonna do live experiment.
So 501 is $10.
You got a whoop.
Please select the truck. Please select your card or your mobile phone. Authorizing.
Oh, damn it. That's so fast. And voila!
And it's whoosh.
Whoosh. Could it be woof?
So we'll check it out and let you know.
Yeah, it's us now without
Yes.
our pennies.
Since we're outside, we could take it off. But here in Toronto, if you're inside, you have to wear face
indoors.
mask.
So very sweaty. Need a shower after this.
Oh yeah.
So we stop it outside, because we thought, let's walk home. I mean, you're gonna walk home anyways. Let's go outdoors so we can exercise a bit,
Get some fresh air.
fresh air, and then see just cars.
Civilization.
Yes. So we sat here. It's been quiet. So, interesting experience, surprise.
Yeah, I hadn't seen that before, and
We are walking going up the escalator now. Oh, what's that?
yeah.
It's a new thing. Well, it's interesting. I guess it tells us that every situation people figure out a way to make money no matter what.
But it's
I'm not saying it's a bad
essential
thing.
service,
In this
so-
case, it's handy, but it's interesting. Like, wow, people really think, oh, wow, let's make a vending machine for that.
it's a really good idea, actually.
And you, tell us.
Have you seen vending machines selling face masks?
Or have you seen an interesting kind of place selling masks or this kind of thing? Or do you wear a mask?
Hopefully.
Or tell us. Write a comment below. I'm looking forward to hear. When I get home, I'm gonna try the wipe thing, the woof, whoosh,
Whoosh.
whoosh, whoosh. It'll be interesting. And so don't forget to subscribe, follow us, other.
Click on the bell to receive notifications of any new videos we might do.
Yes, our color is funny because it's outdoors. So,
Yeah.
I know. And the most important is.
Stay fluffy. So it's not over yet. Let me show you what we get in here. So in Whoosh, you get 20 wipes, but also you get a little cloth.
Ah.
So basically what you do is you use it to clean your phone and then you wipe it off with this.
Okay, let me close my phone so I can test it out.
Okay.
So stay fluffy.
Stay fluffy.